Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Clifton. Now, in my humble opinion, I don't believe there's any better drink to have on a warm summer day than lemonade, except for maybe sweet tea, or just cool water. However, seeing as I have neither the chemical fortitude to create water from scratch, or the tea bags to make sweet tea, we are stuck with a lemonade video. To start off, we're going to go ahead and wash 6 medium-sized lemons under cold water. This is very important, seeing as we're going to go ahead and peel 4 of those lemons immediately afterwards into a medium-sized bowl. And once we've finished peeling our lemons, we will add 1.5 cups of white sugar to our bowl, stir, and do whatever this is. I guess this step right here is optional. You don't have to do that. Covering the rinds with sugar ensures that all of the lemony fresh oils sequestered away within the peels are, drawn out into the sugar, making for a fresher and lemonier end product. Cover with a clean dish towel and place in the fridge to cool overnight. And 12 hours later, we should be left with an end result that looks a little something like this. Check out the delicate hues of yellow and a lemony fresh scent. Bring 5 cups of water to a boil, and once a rolling boil is achieved, immediately kill the heat and add in our sugar and lemon rinds. Mix until the sugar is dissolved and let rest for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes have passed, use a slotted spoon, I chose to use a spider, to scoop out your lemon peels, pour into a bowl of your choosing. I personally chose to reuse my measuring cup, and let rest on the counter until it comes to about room temperature. This should take about an hour. For our next step, we're going to go ahead and start prepping our lemon juice. It's pretty straightforward, you roll the lemon out on the counter and juice. If you got a juicer like I do, phenomenal. If you don't, that's fine, because you can just do it by hand. It might take you a bit longer, but at the end of the day, you're still ending up with lemonade, right? It's all good. And if you're like me, and you might be a little, not pressed about it, you can just leave the lemon seeds. All right, it's not super important. And finally, pour the now room temperature essence of lemon into a pitcher, add your lemon juice, stir to combine, and pat yourself on the back because you've made what might just be the best doggone lemonade you've ever had. Now, you can leave it in the fridge to cool overnight, or, a couple of hours. Or, hear me out, or you could just serve immediately over ice. That's good too. And I know you're thinking this may seem like a lot of time for a single pitcher of lemonade, but just remember that a lot of this is time spent unattended, right? I mean, you leave the lemon peels in the fridge for a couple hours, and then, after that, you boil some water, add it in, stir it, and leave it for 5 minutes. It's not a lot of work, guys. You just gotta have the time, gotta have the patience, the dedication to your craft, and yeah, you gotta really want lemonade at the end of the day.